Babe, it's the video you've been waiting for. It is your sneak peek to the fall 2022 catalog. Make sure you subscribe. Check out this fall playlist. I'm going to look up below and down below so you can check out all the goods so you can shop the catalog and get ready. And the best part is, if you love it and everything, come in, join the fun, become a consultant. I'd be honored to show you the way. So let's get to all the fun. Home decor, stand tall stand tall bin, but elevated. You got the felt and you got the wicker plastic right there. Just love it. So again, if you're loving everything that you're seeing, you know the best part is to join in the pink bubble. Think about becoming a consultant yourself. I'd be honored if you decided to join with me or one of the amazing people on Team Possible. This is what you're gonna get, and there's so much more. And again, also insiders, if you want to host a party or if you want to just shop, mystery link is down below for you guys to get in on entry on all the good fun. Now, don't forget Bag Babe TV every Saturday, and if you want more, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a big like and comment down below. Here's some playlists to check and more fall stuff coming your way.